Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm just very sleepy.
Well, good, because it's time for coffee.
Yay!
We're eating like each other today.
We are. I keep picturing my cup of coffee that I make and I'm like, nope, I'm not having that today.
I get to have your morning ritual and you're having mine.
Yay! Sounds good.
Okay, love you.
Love you. Bye.
Cheers, Kit. Finally time for breakfast. Let's freaking do it. Around 10 or 11, she has yogurt with granola, almond butter, flax seeds, and frozen blueberries. That sounds really good, like a yummy fruit parfait. I'm excited. Okay, let me get all the ingredients. Okay, here we go. Trader Joe's vanilla bean Greek yogurt, so freaking good. Almond butter, this one is amazing as well. Got the frozen blueberries, this ancient grains granola, super yummy as well. And then some flax seeds, so I'm gonna make like a parfait. So good.
So I'm eating like Emma today, which means that I don't get my hot cup of coffee that I look forward to every morning. So I'm gonna try hers. I've had this before. It's cool, it's good. It actually has a lot of caffeine, which I clearly need today. I'm more of a hot coffee person than iced, but let's do it. I feel like this is a very Emma shot to take. We'll have it be like, ooh, open this one-handed.
Just eating my yogurt bowl, getting some work done.
I've had my coffee, I've done some work. So in addition to eating like Emma today, I'm gonna work out like her. So she does rainy workouts, which are more intense than what I'm used to. I don't mind them. It's just a lot of mental motivation for me to be like, okay, yeah, let me do that. Plus I'm still waking up, so hopefully this will jumpstart my body. All right, we're gonna do Emma's workout.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for getting after with us on a Sunday.
Okay, now we're in the portion of the video where I do Kit's preferred workout, and she sent it to me. I'm gonna pull it up and just do it in my living room. It's like 20-minute HIIT workout, and then I'm going to go on a long walk. It's called Britney Spears HIIT workout. Watch me try to be sexy. That's what I'm gonna be trying to do as well. It's an MK Fit workout. I've never done one of her workouts before, but I'm really looking forward to it. I hope it involves Britney's music and dancing. This is so fun. This is amazing. Unreal. Literally, why is this the first time I'm ever doing these workouts? That was freaking fun. I feel so silly, but like so good. I don't know. You should be laughing and having fun in a workout, I think.
That was a fun workout. I feel motivated. I like that it focused on my muscles, but I think I'm ready to have breakfast now. So let me see what Emma said she has. She does a smoothie with 1 to 2 cups of spinach, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 frozen banana, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1/4 cup frozen blueberries, ice cubes, and ice. Cool. That sounds pretty good. It's really nothing different from what I have every day. It's just written down and more organized. Okay. It's good. I like it. I feel like it's so anticlimactic though. I'm just like, yeah, that's good. But I usually make something similar to this. I feel like I drink smoothies like incredibly fast. Is that normal? Is that a thing? Do people take their time? It's like, I feel like I'm a one sip wonder. Gonna start my day now and get dressed.
It's so sunny out, but I'm like sitting outside in between calls, just trying to get outside as much as possible away from the computer when I can. I'm having my lunch, which is just like a series of snacks outside. I've got cotton candy grapes, carrots, celery, and then I'm eating it with salsa and dill pickle hummus. Cotton candy grapes though, man, they're so good. I just went on a walk as well. This is like a snack. This is not lunch. Come on, kitty, what are you doing?
So I'm really curious to know how Emma's doing because I did not give her a lunch. I think I told her good luck. So I just went on a walk and I'm ready for lunch. It's about 3:30. I hate lunch. I don't usually eat it because I hate it. Okay, so she'll have 2 to 3 of those flat rice cakes from Whole Foods with sliced tomatoes, avocado, and tuna. She puts sriracha and everything but the bagel seasoning on it as well. Awesome. Okay, I can make that. So I can't complain too much because I ate it too quickly to even react to it as I was eating it. It was a good lunch. I enjoyed it. I had fun. I think next time I would put less sriracha on. I just put a little too much. I don't know why I keep thinking, I'm like, why do I think I'm on like Food Network? I don't really have much else to add. It was good. I ate it. I will say, like, because I ate it so late, I don't know if I'm gonna have a snack just because like I already have dinner on the brain. I think I'm gonna go back to work and maybe watch some Futurama. See you at dinner time. Have fun with no lunch.
End of the workday. Since I'm eating like Kit Major, she has instructed me that I need to have a Stella. This is her favorite beer and it's actually what she named her electric keyboard. Stella, she and her band drink it at every show. So in honor of Kit Major, I'm having a Stella tonight. Let me find do I have a beer opener here? Yeah, I was in a sorority. Anyway, so for dinner, it's just like a prepackaged Trader Joe's salad. And it's really funny, like the difference between the way that we prepare our meals or don't. Kit. Dinner is this Trader Joe's lemon chicken arugula salad. And I love these meals, but I typically have salads like these like on really, really busy days or times when I'm like on the go. So it was just interesting because she had to cook a bunch of things today. So I'm wondering how that went for her. But I'm ready for this salad. So that's what I'm gonna have. Salad in my Stella. This is like really hitting the spot right now.
For dinner, Emma said, dinner is air-fried tofu. I don't have an air fryer, but you can bake it in the oven for 15 minutes, then put it on the stove with seasoning, smiley face. So after you bake the tofu, put it on the stove with garlic, ginger, sriracha, soy sauce, hoisin sauce. Then add 1 to 2 cups of spinach and put it over 1 cup of white rice. I ordered rice from Postmates because I hate cooking. And rice, I know it's easy, but I want to be honest, I just didn't feel like doing dishes. Cooking the tofu is enough for me, so I ordered rice. All right, here she is. Okay, here's my Emma Love dinner. I put my tofu in the oven, so it got a little crispy. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try.
This has like been my station here. I just sit on this couch, my computer's on a TV tray, I have like all of my beverages in front of me. It's time for dessert. So I'm having some trail mix. This is what Kit has for dessert. I'm gonna have trail mix and popcorn and drink some water and watch some TV right now. Oh my god, you look so pretty.
Oh, thank you. So do you.
So, how'd it go for you?
How did it go? It went well. It went easier than I thought it would.
Did any like meals stick out, or are you gonna like integrate any recipes into your diet?
The tofu was better than I thought. I was really nervous about the tuna.
Oh, the tuna rice cake avocado.
Yeah, like I've done rice cakes. I've had my fair share, but never tuna.
Mm-hmm.
So I was nervous about what that texture would be.
But you liked it.
But I liked it.
Well, good.
Surprised me. Oh, you know what it was that threw me off? The bagel seasoning. I was like, bagel seasoning on tuna?
Well, I put it on everything, so. Anyway, I was noticing that like a lot of your meals are like ready for someone who's like very much on the go, which I was really surprised by because I feel like you are like a really chill person overall. So I would have expected like your meals to reflect that, but I feel like you and I almost switch in that sense. Like your meals are very like grab and go. Like they're prepared in the fridge, just grab them. Versus like mine, I actually would like take a little bit more time to prep from start to finish. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense though, because like I feel like you find comfort in planning and preparing things, and I don't. For me, it stresses me out to like cook. I'm like, this recipe has more than 2 steps. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, I know. You like Postmated the rice tonight.
I just.
That was just interesting. And I've got to say that Trader Joe's salad is so good. I've never had it until tonight.
Yeah, no, I live by that dressing. Like,
It's like kind of spicy almost.
I'm so happy you tried it.
Yeah, that was like something I really, really enjoyed. And then it was nice to like make my own coffee this morning.
Oh yeah, that was something I missed. I was so sad about that. Because for me, mornings, I can make them last forever. Like, I love mornings so much that like the morning coffee steps that go with it. Like for me, it's a treat if I need 2 cups of coffee in the morning, because I'm excited to do that again. And so with yours, it was so like anticlimactic of like waking up and being like, let me get out of bed, and then going to the fridge and being like,
I know.
It wasn't that like, hold on, let me have my coffee, you know?
Yeah, so your morning made me miss my slower morning. Well, thanks for doing this with me, and I'll inevitably talk to you in like literally 2 minutes. Okay, bye.